world champion Quartararo took the pole, and the arms starting to show his scorn on first position too often. Without Mark, people realize that I'm fast enough. Come on, my friends, bring me to the victory! This is the weirdest thing I've seen this year so far. Now that we know who made the pole, it's about time to talk about the sprint race. Let's start with a replay of the start with our minis. For the podium. His fight with Alex was amazing, but someone joined the party. Yay! Podium! Nothing better than a podium for God Miller, God of Aussie! Yahoo! Wow! You are not the rival for my top speed. Let's find out. And Alex third. Thank you, Dark Mini. Follow our social networks for more MiniBikers. Goodbye and be mini good! And this video wouldn't be possible without the support